And Josh is legit. He's a real dude. There's not many real people in the world anymore, and I've been through quite a bit. So this man helped me out. I was in a rough spot. You know, I give it to all the single parents in the world out there. If anybody could ever help anybody, them are the people that really need it. You know, especially single fathers. And I'm not being one way or another, but I've been discriminated against for over 20 years. Like being a single father, people treat you different. They're like, you're expected to toe the line. And it's not that easy. The best way I've ever heard anybody explain it is moving into a new place. Everybody, you've been there. And if you're a couple, you're moving in there together. You move a couch in, it's not that bad. You can move a couch in the house, you can struggle a little bit and get it around the corner and get it upstairs if you need it or whatever. But try doing that with one person. And that's what it's like raising a family. Man, hey, I got it done. I struggled the whole time, but I didn't give up. I did the best I could for my kids, and I'm still doing it. Do it till the day I die. But I don't know. I don't get no child support, and I was struggling. Got the house for a little bit of nothing because it burnt, and I remodeled it and turned it into a home again. Lived in it for 3-4 years with my children. And kids are rough on houses, and I got, behind on stuff, and it was just getting torn up, and I knew if I stayed living in it, it was going to get worse and worse. And I either was looking for money to repair it or make it better. But what I really wanted to do, I wanted to get out of there. I wanted to move out in the country next to my mom, because my mom's elderly, and I wanted to teach my kids self-sustainability, like teach them live off the land, not rely on that grocery store as much, because it's doing a number to us, that grocery store, man. I don't want to feed my kids that junk no more. I want them to eat stuff that we know what we're putting into our bodies. And so I got out of the city, got out of town, and Josh he was right there. I found him online trying to sell my house. I thought it was a gimmick, or thought maybe he's trying to scam me, get entitlement to my house and not pay me. But he's like, no, nothing will change until you have the money in your hands, money in your bank account. And he didn't lie. Like, it went really quick. I didn't have to deal with no rigmarole. I didn't have to deal with no real estate agents and pay them a bunch of fees and them dig their hands into the money I'm getting out of the hard work I did. I bought the house for $500 and remodeled it, and I made out like a bandit because he was right there. He gave me cash money, and I got to move out in the country next to my mom. I owned my own place, got a badass truck. I started a taxi business, all from selling that house. And hard work and dedication pays off, and this shit's real. I'm not lying. I swear to God, this man is as real as anybody. He was right there. Definitely not fake.